the head done. It's a little bit, oh, you're watching South Park. Let me just put that off to the side. Nothing. It's just the four kids on the screen. Anyhow, so this is what the head looks like. Frankly, I think that's actually kind of perfect because it does kind of have that fat head to it. I have to fix this little back piece and make it a little bit more round, but that's easy enough to do. So I think the next step is actually I'm going to get started on the spots and the coloring and the organization, and then get started on the petals. So that way you can have the little frill on his neck, and then I'll work on the little head stem pieces. But overall, I think this is really good. I actually did a different process for the pattern. So instead of making the side the widest piece, I'm doing the chin and the head as kind of the widest piece. And so I think that will work out in the end. Like I said, when I go in and do it on Minky and doing the embroidery and all that, then we'll fix any of these little small issues. Obviously I missed a hole in my sewing, but that's okay. But overall, I think I would count this as a success. Minor changes to the neck area, but that'll be easy enough to fix. And yeah, so on this next video, we will be going over how I go about doing the designs for the eyes and stuff, and the spots and the other markings. I think that's it for the little guy, but I'll have to double check the video to make sure. But other than that, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to put them in the comments below or send me a DM, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!